Hello, my dear students. Welcome to Social Studies class. Again, we will discuss the topic life on the Eastern Coastal Plain, the places of the Eastern Coastal Plain. In this, we will discuss about Odisha. Odisha, which is the capital with its capital Bhubaneswar. So, the capital of Odisha is Bhubaneswar and located on the eastern coastal of India. Now, what is this? Bhubaneswar is also known as the city of temples. Some famous temples include Lingaraj Temple, Mukteshwar Temple, Ra- Raja Rani Temple, and Ananta Vasudev temples. These are the, so it is also called the temple city. Mm, City of temples. And now Odisha is also is the home of Hirakund Dam, the longest dam of India. And Hirakund Dam is situated in Odisha, and the state has several popular tourist destinations. Puri with its Jagannath temple near the sea coast, famous for Rath Yatra or the Cart festival, and Konark with the Sun temple are visited by thousands of tourists every year. This is the Jagannath temple which is in Odisha. Rice and jute are the principal crops grown in Odisha. The textile and silver work are the great demand. Means textile and silver work which is done highly in Odisha, and Odissi is the foremost is the very popular dance form of Odisha. Oriya is the official and most widely spoken language. So people of Odisha speaks Oriya, which is the common spoken language by the Odissi people, and Cuttack is the main business center and industrial cities of Odisha. So all the industrial work is done in Cuttack, which is in Odisha, and the Chilika Lake, which with the bird sanctuary, is the major tourist attraction. And there is one Chilika Lake which is with the bird sanctuary, as a major tourist attraction, and Paradip is an important seaport. So the important seaport is Paradip. Mostly people speak Odia, and Konark is a famous sun temple where thousands of visitors visit every year, and Puri with the Jagannath temple near the which is famous for Rath Yatra and Cart festivals. Next is about Andhra Pradesh. See, Andhra Pradesh has a long coastline. The river Krishna and Godavari forms the deltas on the coast of Andhra Pradesh. Means the river Krishna and Godavari forms the delta in this region, and Hyderabad is the capital of Andhra Pradesh. ज्वार बाजरा tobacco and cottons are grown here. क्या क्या उगता है यहाँ पे? ज्वार बाजरा tobacco and cotton. And Vishakhapatnam is the major seaport of Andhra Pradesh. It is also famous for oil refinery and iron steel plant. So this place is famous for oil refinery and iron steel plant, and Hyderabad is the capital of it, and river Krishna and Godavari forms the delta on it, and this Andhra Pradesh is the long coastline. So this is all about Andhra Pradesh, and it is also famous for the oil refinery and the seaports also. Sorry, iron steel plant, and Vishakhapatnam is the major seaport here. So this is all about Andhra Pradesh. Next comes to Tamil Nadu. This is the famous dance form of Tamil Nadu, that is Bharatnatyam, and the coast of Tamil Nadu is also called Coromandel coast, and the Kaveri river makes delta here. यहाँ पे जो river delta बनाती है उसका क्या नाम है? Kaveri. And farming and fishing are the main occupations of the people of Tamil Nadu. Main occupation is farming and fishing. Tamil is the main language spoken here. Mostly people speak Tamil. Bharatnatyam is the classical dance form which you can see in this figure, and a girl is dancing, is doing Bharatnatyam, and this is the classical dance form of Tamil Nadu also. Rice is the main crops of this region. Rice, mainly people grow rice, and mainly people are fond of rice eating, and coconut are largely grown here. Chennai is the capital of Tamil Nadu, and it is the big industrial city and seaport too. This is the Tamil Nadu has a very large number of industries where people are engaged in industrial work, and Perambar near Chennai has a railway coach factory, and tanks are made at Avandi near Chennai, and Marina Beach in Chennai is the longest beach in India. This is the longest beach in India. So this is all about Tamil Nadu. and which where the classical dance form is Bharatnatyam. Chennai is the capital, and mostly people grow rice, and they are fond of rice eating also. They use all the things which is made mostly made up of rice, and it is a biggest industrial sea and seaport to industrial city. It has a large number of mostly technologies are developed here, and all the industrial work also work is done in this region. And tanks are made, so sea tanks are made near Chennai. And the Marina Beach is the longest beach in India, which is in Chennai. So this is all about Tamil Nadu, and we have studied about Tamil Nadu, Andhra Pradesh, and Odisha. Just you students read it once again, all about this. And these are all comes under Eastern Coastal Plain. Eastern Coastal Plain. See, we are reading about all these states. All these states. Today we have studied about Odisha, Andhra, and Tamil Nadu. Okay, just read it once again.